Hey folks, my name's Kunal and I'm the founder of Finrite. Today I'm really excited to show you how to set up Finrite and want to walk through how Finrite can help you make sure that you give your support and operations teams all the Stripe details that they need from HubSpot itself, automatically drive billing in Stripe from your HubSpot deals so you don't have to copy paste contract data, and make sure that your sales teams have quoting and contract tools that get them selling extremely fast while making sure your data doesn't drift between different systems. So let's go ahead and take a spin. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is you will install our app from the Stripe app marketplace. You can search for Finrite HubSpot and you'll pretty quickly find our app. From there, the first step is to click install from partner. So we'll go ahead and do that. And you'll see that you're given a choice to install Finrite in one of a few different modes. We'll start off with our test mode just to see what this looks like, and you'll want to make sure at least before you're syncing any live data, you try our app out in test mode, but eventually you'll want to move to live data to make sure you're billing your customers and see actual historic data reflected in HubSpot. What you'll want to do to switch between different modes is visit the very same link, but simply select the different mode and reinstall the app, and then you'll have our sync available across any of the different modes that you choose. So let's go ahead and get started with test. We'll click the install button and then we'll just wait a few seconds for things to load and we'll land up back on the same Stripe dashboard that we started from. Now, when our Stripe app is done installing, you'll see that we're dropped off on our app settings page. The app settings page lists out the steps that you need to get your app working and to use our different features. It's a pretty short list, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is link HubSpot, and this makes sure that the two systems can now start talking to each other. So we'll click our button, select the right HubSpot account, and you'll then see that we'll request permissions to have your app installed on HubSpot. The moment this is done, we can head over to our HubSpot account, and from there, we'll go to the settings page. We'll head over to connected apps, then to the new Stripe billing connector by Finrite app that you see. Head into settings there. Once again into settings. And we'll enable our Finrite app card to show up on the contact page, deal page, and company page. And this will be helpful for a few of the flows that we'll walk through in just a second. Once we've enabled this, we've pretty much got everything we need for all of Finrite's features to work from here on out. Let's take a look at what those features are in just a second.